What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, Shadrack Sibiya was exposed at the ad hoc committee. I mean, this is the question that he was asked, and he was finally exposed, where he made like his biggest error. I mean, listen to this guy.
Provided to Honorable President Bach, I know she's gone now. You said that Mkwanazi was well funded, or Mkwanazi is well funded to profiling. So who is funding him? And for what purpose is he being profiled?
Well, all I know is that, let's say, for instance, Chris Excel, the one who said they are collecting money to thank him and buy him a cow or cows, the one that he said is going to donate to those children whose parents, police or parents, died in the line of duty. And he said he's going to give the money to donate the money there. But let us look at this. You go on TikTok, you go on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. It's General Mkwanazi. It's only one person. You will never find any other provincial commissioner doing that throughout the country because they are not supposed to do it. It's only him who can do it. Now, there's a.
So that's the answer by Shadrack Sibiya there, when he is answering this question, to say General Mkwanazi is well funded by the likes of Chris Excel, and he even mentions to say, you can go on TikTok, Instagram, etc. I mean, it's so much amazing because, as we all know, General Mkwanazi does not have all these social media accounts. He is not on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, etc. He is not on social media, okay? But Shadrack Sibiya is out here, saying that if you go on TikTok or on Instagram, it's all General Mkwanazi being funded. If he is pressed further, to say, okay, you're saying Chris Excel is funding him on Twitter, who is funding him on TikTok, on Instagram? You failed to answer that question. So this was the biggest moment, where he was truly exposed. And even this so-called Chris Excel funding that came through the issue of cows, of which Mkwanazi directed the funds, to the children who need the funds. It came after that national media briefing. It wasn't even being done before. So if he is to be asked, about the funding before the media, you even fail to even point at anything. So you can see that Shadrack Sibiya is failing to respond to the question being asked to him because the donated funds were deposited to the SAPS who need them. And also the issue of Mkwanazi receiving extensive media. Maybe that is from Dasen, who works in KZN, who is covering him via ENCA. So one thing is clear, and it is that Shadrack Sibiya is lacking tangible evidence and facts when it comes to what he is talking about. I'll catch you guys on the next one.